Good morning, students. Again, today we are continuing with the recent trends in market. In the last video, the last class, I have completed till social marketing. Now, continuing with rural marketing. So, rural marketing means it's also a type of marketing which is developing, pricing, promoting, and distributing specific goods and services with the rural customers in order to needs and wants of the customers to be satisfied. So for that purpose only this rural marketing is organized, and it has been taken by some potential improvements to open a great opportunities. For example, customers are many of them liking this type of marketing. Example, they are what and all they are daily consuming, those items also are ready for consumption. The next one is service marketing. So you can easily understood with the help of the picture itself. Service marketing is nothing but an activity or a benefit that one party can offer to another one. Example, insurance service, professional service, medical service, and apart from that, any telecommunication work, banking service, tourism. So these are all comes under service marketing. The next one is commodity exchange. So under commodity exchange, we have niche marketing. It is also one type of the recent trend. So it denotes a strategy of all the marketing efforts towards well-defined segment of the population, and automatically they are not served under by the competitors. The company itself developed the concept of the market. So it does not mean a small market, but examples are cinema halls everywhere in around in India, but they are paying the cost of the ticket. It depends upon only a specific channel only. Best example is Star Sports. So only whenever we need only we will pay, and then we will enjoy that time only. So this type of marketing will organize that. The next is viral marketing. Viral marketing is also one among the marketing technique where the message can be passed to the others. So example, Microsoft promote their advertisement through the services what and all they are render, and so many YouTube channels are there, Facebook, Twitter, and other channels are all example. Mark viral marketing is important one. So what and all if we wanted to pass it to that, so we can easily put it in these type of channels. The next one is ambush marketing. Ambush marketing is also a new technique concept where a particular advertiser seeks to connect his products in the mind of the commercial without paying any sponsoring expenses. So for example, so Y is a company, but he has selected X to develop for his companies and all. So for example, suppose if he is a sponsor for the football event, so in order to promote his brand, so this is the example. With the help of the celebrities, whatever we can spend in advertisement, so it gives a tool for our marketing services. The next one is guerrilla marketing. Guerrilla marketing is also a new trend. It represents an advertisement strategy to promote the products or other public places like shopping malls, park, and beach. So customers are taken by some big impression about the brand. So suddenly we can ask them to fill up one form or to explain whether you will like the product or not. So these and all comes under this guerrilla marketing. The next one is the multi-level marketing. Multi-level marketing where the direct sales companies are encourage its distributors to recruit some new distributors in order to increase the sale of goods and services. So that's why the multi-level marketing plays an important role in the direct selling of the products. So through they maybe get some relationship by the word of marketing. Example, Tupperware. It's the best and the suitable example. Then Oriflame also another example for this. The next one is referral marketing. Referral marketing is a type of a method for promoting the services or the products through customers, some referrals. So referral marketing is referred to spreading the word about a product or service. The next one is content marketing. So under the content marketing, it is said to be communicating with the customers and prospects without selling. Prospects means full information about the company. When did it has been started? Then what is the turnover right now? So full status we can know about from the prospectus. So that type of marketing which can be easily to delivered in the form of goods automatically by the sales response and gets a greater loyalty also. So that is called as content marketing. Okay, students. So that's all about recent trends in marketing. Again, I'll revise. So today we have started with the rural marketing, service marketing, niche marketing, viral marketing is important 2 marks, ambush marketing, guerrilla marketing, multi-level marketing, referral marketing, and content marketing. So chapter 15 is completed. Then again in the next class starting by chapter 16.